Good morning, kids. How are you? So, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, today we are going to do something new, that is reading. Isn't it interesting that we are going to do? We are going to read one paragraph. We have done paragraph yesterday. So, today that is called comprehension. In that we'll do unseen passage, like there will be one passage, a paragraph you can say, and then I'll be asking questions from that paragraph. Understood? Like there will be questions and you have to find answers from that paragraph only. The answer will not be written anywhere else. The answer will be written in that paragraph only. So here it is. That is this is unseen for you. You have never seen this. So there are some lines. 8 lines are there. So I am going to read it. Hope you will listen carefully, because after that I am going to ask question and you have to write or give answers. Okay, and then check the answers when I'll tell you the answer. Now here it is. It is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. Listen me carefully. I hope you are listening me very carefully. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Who are blooming everywhere? That is colorful flowers. Then many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. 2 boys are riding bicycles. There are 2 dogs in the park too. There are many apples on the trees. Now, what you have to do is, when you get this passage or paragraph or lines, then you have to read it twice or thrice. And then you have to underline the main words which you think the question can come regarding this. So, and then you have to give answers. So here is the first question, that is, when I'm asking, that is in the form of true or false. It is a rainy day today. No, it is not a rainy day. It's a sunny day. So it's a wrong answer. Now next is, the sun is shining bright today. Yes, we can see sun over here. So we can say that it is true. The sun is shining bright today. Then, no flowers are there in the park. No, there are colorful flowers. There are so many flowers in the park. So it's false. Then, next you can see many children are playing in the park. Are they playing? Yes. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children are playing. So this is true. Then next is true. 2 boys are flying kites. No, only one man is flying kite. So this is wrong statement. So we will put false. That is, we will put cross. Then 2 boys are riding bicycles. Yes, one on the right who is in red t-shirt at the corner, and then one is in blue. So it is right. It is correct statement. Then there are 4 dogs in the park. Count it. 1, 2. No. So it is a false statement. So there are only 2. So that's why we will put cross. That is false statement. Then we are move on to the next comprehension. Here it is. This is the second one, just for your practice. So I hope you will listen me carefully again. So here I'm going to read it. Then the question will come in the interrogative sentence. So there you have to give one word answer. So I hope you all are ready for it. My name is Roy. My uncle Moby lives in a farmhouse. I love to go there in holidays. There are many animals in his farmhouse. Now he is describing his farmhouse, his uncle's farmhouse. There are 2 cows and a calf. There is a horse and a mare. There are 3 pigs and 2 piglets too. There is a beautiful pond in the farmhouse. There are 3 ducks also in the pond. Small chicks are there with a hen. A windmill is also there in the farmhouse. So in this passage you can see that there is a boy Joy, and he has described about his uncle's farmhouse, that there are animals and all. So what is the name of the boy in the passage? That is Joy. So you have to give the answer, that is Joy only. That will be MCQ based question will come in the exam. So here the question is, what is the name of Joy's uncle? So if you remember, you can give the answer in one word, that is Moby. Uncle Moby. You need not to write full sentence. Only Moby you have to write. Then in the third question is, where does Uncle Moby live? Here you can give the answer if you have listened me carefully. That is, he lives in a farmhouse. So only you have to write farmhouse, nothing else. The next is, when does Joy go to the farmhouse? So here's the answer, that is in his holidays. When does Joy go to the farmhouse? That is in his holidays. Only you have to write. Then how many cows are there in the farmhouse? If you can count, you can count in this picture that there are only 2 cows in the farmhouse. So you just have to write 2 cows. One word answer you have to give. Then the next is your worksheet, this one, that you have to read. I have a brother, his name is John. We like to read books. We read books in the library. So here you are John. Here just think about, like, you are just take your name, and you suppose that you have a brother and his name is John, and you both like to read books, and you both read books in the library. Just assume yourself as an I. So here give the answer. The question paper, in the question paper, the question will come in this form, that is MCQ based. So here it is, you have to give answer like in one word. I have a brother and his name is, that is John. So as in this you have to do. This is for practice. Do it at home. Then I have made one worksheet for you, the another one. This is for practice only. Now this is your homework that you have to do is, Lou loves balloons. At the circus, a clown gave Lou 5 big balloons. Lou told the clown, thank you. Of course, when we take something, we say thank you. Then 2 balloons are red, 2 balloons are green. 1 balloon is yellow, and Lou holds the balloons tightly so that they will not fly away. So you have to, there are 5 questions that you have to write answer in one word only. So just write down only answer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering you have to do. And your first question, where did Lou get the balloons? So that to the place you have to write. Who gave the balloons to Lou? So who gave him? So that you have to write the clown or whatsoever. Here I have not given the options, but in exam options will come. Then the next is, what are the color of the balloons? So you have to write all green and yellow and all. Okay. So I hope you will read it carefully and give the answers. And how many balloons does Lou have? So that you have to write how many balloons. Just go through the passage and write. What did Lou say to the clown? I told you, what do we have to say when we take something from others? So that word you have to write. So I'm again saying the question will come in the MCQ based. MCQs will come here. I have not given, but you have to give answer only one word, that only 5 words you have to write. I must tell you here that you have to write the correct number. If you are attempting, you are writing answer number 1, so you have to write in front of that number 1 its answer. Don't write the wrong number. Thank you.